Hi friends. I was looking this such a beautiful Indian traditional wear collections which I talk about silk varieties. As you all know, India is such a beautiful traditional ethnic ways you can buy, whether the sarees, and especially these collections. If I talk about silk, it's a manufacturing. I talk about the silk textile manufacturing hub, one of the Surat city I can say. So today let's see a beautiful collections of traditional wear silk collections from Kesaria textile manufacturers. What all the unique varieties you can buy at factory cost. So please watch this video till the end, and I request everyone to subscribe the channel for the clothing business regular updates, where you can also tie up and you can start your brand as a clothing store and you can make your customers happy. So for regular updates, please subscribe the channel. There's a bell icon. You will get the regular all updated videos where you can where you can watch and you can do online shopping 24/7. You can connect with KTC Textiles. So if I talk about such a beautiful collections of fancy varieties, India, as I said, many states having silk varieties of traditional functional wear collections. This is a talk about the copper jerry varieties of pure heavy rain silk collections of Dola silk, and these are the collections for fancy Mahi silk varieties. And you can see here the exclusive brand Kesaria logo, and here is an index page you can view here. Every brand will give you a color options, and a textile hub, if I talk about Surat in India, is one of the biggest city for the textile hub. If you have a time, please take time and you can visit one Surat textile hub. You will get a lot of knowledge about the clothing store and what are the benefits and what all the experience, how the cloth is getting manufactured of the weaving work sarees, you will also come to know. So let's see. And if I talk about the fancy sarees, today I'm going to show you the demanded in the market of copper jerry sarees, which starts from only 300 rupees of fancy range collections. These sarees at the market, it is double margin or it is into a multiple margins where you can see the profit over on these varieties. You can have an exclusive showroom for silk collections. So let's see some samples. The first pattern, if I talk about this color, is dark purple, I can say, or the brinjal color. And here is the heavy body concept of the copper jerry, which is pallu as given here. And elegant collections with a beautiful with blouse you are getting here. There's a blouse concept and with a border which is highlighted. And this is a dark contrast color combination of the copper jerry collections you can find out. And if I talk about the next color, the next color is Rani color. It is called as a heavy concept of Rani color, which is a plain body concept and covered with a one more new designer. And here is the Kesaria logo you can see here, and it will be always mentioned in the logo where you can see the visible with blouse it has mentioned. And you have to find out whenever you buy from a manufacturer, you have to find out the saree length is very most important, which gives you 630 meters. And if you want to find out, this is also one of the saree, and here is a small butta work has been done, and the border which comes on the highlighted on the hand part, and this is also one more pattern. And if I talk about the classic sarees, which is very classy look of the Meenakari butta concept of mini butta work has been done here. See, this is the saree pattern, and the blue, this color is very amazing color, and the combination which goes is very awesome, I can say. Such a beautiful colors also you can find out, and manufacturers are giving you every color chart for the dusky skin tone, for the normal fat tone, brownie skin tone. Everyone is having us color options where you can easily show it to your customers, and you can every day individual single colors you can display at your mannequin. If I talk about the heavy concept of copper jerry, like this, every individual saree you can also find out the model photo shoot which has done, and the photocopy also you can find out for the same saree. And here is a concept of the saree of the same color, which is light mehndi color, I can say, and many highlighted with the border concept, and the Kesaria tag also you can find out here. The brand, exclusive brand, when you buy, you have a multiple benefits of the quality, color chart, everything. So this is a one more saree. And if I talk about the light mild work saree, if I talk about the sequence work of the leaf pattern, so big leaf has been highlighted at the pallu pattern, and here is a sequence work. This is the saree of the sequence work, and the lightweight rapier silk saree. So every saree, if I talk about the fancy saree collections you can buy from the manufacturer KTC, which starts from 300 rupees. If I talk about low range sarees, which starts from only 120, 125 rupees. So functional wear sarees, I think you want to have a showroom for only silk collections, you can invest. You want to do online business, home-based business, you can directly tie up. For further information, there is an online team also. You can do online shopping. You can also directly visit Surat KTC, which is located at Ring Road. It's a Millennium Textile building, 1 first floor. You can directly visit. All the days it's working morning 9:30 to 6:30 you can visit. And if you couldn't travel, and India plus international, we do provide you sea service in the cargo services. There is COD options also, and you can purchase. To communicate, just have a WhatsApp voice call and chat with our sales executives. You can take collections and you can do online shopping from sitting at your place. So why are you waiting, friends? So you can buy these collections at factory cost directly tie up, and not required any third parties. You can directly communicate with the brand and you can have a tie up. So I'll complete this video. Please let me know at the comment box what kind of garments what kind of clothes you are looking, or what kind of segments you are looking. Please let me know, so where I can do such videos also for you. And please let me know at the comment box how the collections was it. And you can buy these collections like this exclusive brand varieties set to set. You can see over here. So please, I hope you really enjoyed this video. So let me know, and I end up this video. Subscribe the channel, keep supporting. Next video soon I'll contact with you many more varieties. Till then, take care. Bye bye.